So for the undernourished in Africa, we thought that, you know, in Malawi and sort of the centre of southern Africa, that there was huge potential for increased agricultural productivity. People were looking very much at grains, you know, so for domestic and then consumption and export. But if you start looking at the climate projections, you will see heat spikes of 4 degrees centigrade, maybe 6 degrees centigrade, you know, in the very near future, which is going to make the kinds of sustainable yields and nutrition outcome of that grain very, very difficult to achieve. And so we have to be able to have balanced landscape management that's producing nutritious food. It's going to have to be probably a more mixed diet. In the developed world, we are feeding ourselves highly processed food, which is very bad for us. And we've got a meat-based diet, which, given the footprint of the global livestock business, is putting a strain on resources. That we have to find sustainable ways to produce livestock for food, again with finite land and finite water available. The burden cannot just be on the backs of the poor. We're all going to have to find a way to consume a balanced diet with constrained resources.